Good morning, this is Buddy with Tactical Transmissions in Mansfield, Texas. And we are here to talk a little bit about the business today. So this is a faith-driven business, and as on our signs we have on there Philippians 4:13, all things through Christ who strengthens us. That's not just a moniker that we honestly believe that God gives us the strength to have and do the things that we do. The other thing I want to talk about that is prolific in my men's group. In Ecclesiastes 4, 9, and 10, it says that two are greater than one, and if one man falters, another is there to pick him up. So that's the way we feel with this business. Whenever we have customers that come in, we not only help all the regular customers that have come in, but we also have customers that come in that need help. And that's one of the things that we pride ourselves on, is that if we have the means to be able to do that, then we do. We help people that need to be helped. So that is how this business is faith driven on what God has given us and to be able to pour back into our customers. And so one of the things that I do daily is not only on my personal page, but also on our business Facebook page, is I do put a daily scripture. And that is there to uplift and keep everyone grounded and know what God is doing in our lives and to lift everyone up. And I want to say thank you for posting and liking all of our posts that we put on there, and that we generally want to help people. And if you need help with your car in any way, absolutely come and see us. That's what we're here for.